Dear folks, take your grammar book page number 185 to 186. What you're going to see is the continuation of word and its root word. We have seen so far 57 words and its root words and its sentence formation. This is an exercise which you have to do. The first word is manifestation. What do you mean by manifestation? Manifestation means God's one other form. Lord Rama, Vishnu, takes Rama's form, Krishna's form. This is called manifestation. So, how do you form a sentence using manifestation? The manifestation of Lord Vishnu to Rama, then after that he has taken the form of Krishna. So, the manifestation of Lord Vishnu is Rama. Manifest means exhibit, show, showing off, manifest. So, he manifests his talents. Who manifests his talents? Sania Mirza, playing tennis, shows her talents. Manifest means to show. Manifest as an adjective, it is very clear. It's a plain. Manifestly, clearly, plainly. So, she dances manifestly. She dances clearly. 59th vocabulary is mean. Mean means middle or average. In statistics, you find mean, median, mode. Mean means it's an average. So, mean as a noun. It's a mean. It's a mean. The salary we get is a mean. Salary we get is a mean. Means salary we get is an average. Mean means intent. What do you mean? Mean means as a verb. What do you mean? Next, mean as low. He is a mean fellow. He is a mean fellow means he is a cheap fellow, low fellow. Meanly means stingy. Miserliness, stingy, meanly, all three together it means not spending any money. Very stingy fellow, he is not at all taking his purse and spending. So, you can say he is a meanly fellow. He is what type of fellow? He is a meanly fellow, he is an mean fellow, meanly. He spends meanly, he spends stingily, he doesn't spend money. Melody as a noun, melody. How do you form a sentence using melody? The melody of Yesudas. The melody of Yesudas is very popular. The melody. The melody means the sweet voice coming out of his mouth. Melodize means make melodious, make a sweet sound. Melodize. He melodizes his songs. So, he sings sweetly. Melodious. It is sweet to the ear. For the ear, it is very sweet. Ilayaraja songs are melodious. Ilayaraja songs are melodious. Lata Mangeshwar's songs are melodious. Melodiously as an adverb. He sings melodiously. How does he sing? He sings such a way, it is so sweet, so melodiously. Hope you are able to understand. 61st vocabulary is merit. What do you mean by merit? Goodness or excellence, very great. Worth or value. It is a merit to study in Anna University. It is a merit, a merit. So, before noun you should put a and the. It is a merit. Next, coming as a verb, merit. Deserve. Deserve means what? You are eligible. Merit. He merited to join in IIM, Indian Institute of Management. He deserves, he merits to join in IIM. Meritorious means that fellow has got a very good mark. So, he is eligible to join in medical college or whatever it is. He is a meritorious student. What type of student he is? He is a very good student. Meritorious as an adjective and meritoriously as an adverb. He got elected meritoriously as MP. Meritoriously means what? Landslide victory. He did very well, meritoriously. So, next 62nd vocabulary is metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means changing the form, metamorphosis. A cocoon, in cocoon, you know that one insect, it changes itself into butterfly. Metamorphosis means change the form, change the shape. So, a small insect, dirty insect, it changes itself into butterfly. It changes the form, metamorphosis. Metamorphose, change the form. Kamalagasan actor metamorphoses himself in different costumes. So, he changes the makeup, metamorphose. Metaphorical, full of metaphors. Metaphorical. So, that movie character has lot of metaphorical. The hero's role is metaphorical. He changes different forms, 9 actions, metaphorical. Next, metaphorically, like metaphor. He dresses metaphorically. He dresses in different costumes and he comes in different shapes. Next, very important word, misapprehension. Miss means not, apprehension means understanding. So, miss means not, apprehension means understanding. So, misapprehension means misunderstanding. There is no misapprehension between me and Komadi, no misunderstanding. Misapprehension means misunderstanding. So, apprehension means, what do you mean by apprehension? Understanding. Miss means not, no understanding. Misapprehend means misunderstand, misapprehend. He misapprehends my talk. He misunderstood my talk. He wrongly understood my talk, misapprehend. Misapprehensive, liable to be misunderstood. It is a misapprehensive and misapprehensive talk, or he wrongly understood what I am telling, misapprehensively, misunderstandingly. So, what I spoke, he took it misapprehensively. Whatever I spoke, he misunderstood. So, misapprehension has 4 forms. Next, 64th vocabulary is neutralization. Neutralization means neutralizing, averaging, neutralization. So, the neutralization of the fight between husband and wife was done by the judge. Neutralization means you are making them soft. Neutralize means make ineffect, make normal. Neutralize means making something normal. So, the police officers neutralized the fighting groups. Police officers neutralized the fighting group. Next, adjective is neutral. Neutral means impartial. Neutral means impartial. Our principal is a neutral person. Our principal is a neutral person, means he is an average person. He doesn't support any group. Neutrally means not belonging to any group. He speaks. How does he speak? He speaks neutrally. Hope you are able to understand. Next, 65th vocabulary is obligation. What do you mean by obligation? Means help. Obligation means friendship. Obligation means compulsion. Obligation means indebtedness. So, obligation means I went to the minister for an obligation, means for an help. For a help I went to the minister. Obligation means wanting to get a help from somebody. Obligate means follow according to the law. Obligate. We should obligate by paying taxes to the government. Obligate as a verb, obligatory as an adjective, which is necessary, compulsory, obligatory. For example, to go abroad, passport is obligatory. To go abroad, passport is obligatory, means passport is a must. Next, as an adverb, you don't have as an adverb. So, hope you are able to understand this. Then coming back here, 65th vocabulary, 66th I think so, 65, 66. Office. What do you mean by office? Position, employment. I work in an office. I work in an office. What is the verb format? Officiate is a verb format. Presiding the religious function, act for somebody. So, the principal is on leave. So, the vice principal officiated the school program. What do you mean by that? Principal did not come to the school, so vice principal, he acted on behalf of the principal. Official, concerning about an office. I went to Delhi for an official purpose. What purpose? Official purpose. Officially, in an official manner. My husband always speaks officially. Personally, officially, two meanings are there. Personally means lovingly. Officially means always in a strict manner. So, officially. Next word, 67. Origination. First production, origination. The origination of computer was started in America. Origination means the first. As a verb, originate, create, produce, begin. India started originating aeroplanes. Protection means India started producing aeroplanes. Next, original, first, earliest, original. So, I have the original vision of, I have the original copy of the movies. I have original copies. Original means first, originally, in a original way. I always purchase originally. I always purchase things originally. I don't purchase duplicately. I always purchase originally. So, 68th vocabulary is particularization. Particularization means you are making something important. So, particularization, how do you form a sentence? The chief minister gave some particularizations to the cabinet ministers or IAS officers. So, she gave some important points. Particularize means verb. So, everybody particularizes. Everybody particularizes, or you can say in a campus interview, the MNC companies particularizes and selects the students who are good in communication skills. Particularization means showing importance. Particular as an adjective. Particular as an adjective, can anybody form a sentence using particular? It is a particular question. It is a particular movie. Particular means something important. Particularly, importantly. My friends asked about me particularly. My teacher asked me particularly, asked about me particularly. So, among 10 boys, only one particularly you are mentioning about a student, that is called particular. Then 69th vocabulary is passion. What do you mean by the passion? The deep feelings. I have a passion of going for English movies. Passion means I have a liking. So, there is no verb form. Adjective form, passionate. Passionate, how do you form? Amala is passionate. Amala is passionate of doing yoga and meditation. She is deeply interested in doing yoga and meditation. So, passionate means you are deeply interested in one thing, passionately, very interestingly. She speaks passionately in Hindi. She speaks passionately in Hindi. She dances passionately disco dance. So next 70s, penalty. What do you mean by penalty? Anybody? It is a punishment. It is the fine. The policeman charged me a penalty because I did not wear helmet. Penalty. Penalize, it is a verb. Penalize. Penalize means what? Making you to pay some fine. Penalize. The court penalized the criminal. Penalized means making him to pay some fine. Penalize. Penal. Penal means what? It is the law. It is the penal law. It is the penal means law. It is a penal punishment. Penally, the judge ordered penally. So it is a penally means it is an adverb. Okay, permission. Anybody, can you form a sentence using permission? Easy word, permission. Permission. My father gave me the permission to go for a movie. Permission. Permit as a verb. Can you, anybody, form a sentence using permit? Please permit me. Please permit me to go out. Permit. Permissive. Permissive. Allowing something. Can you form a sentence using permissive? It is a permissive answer. It is a allowing answer. Permissively. I hope my teacher will talk permissively, will give a permission permissively. Next, perseverance. What do you mean by perseverance? Anybody? Adamancy. Adamancy means what? Being very strong. Perseverance. I like his perseverance. I like his adamancy. Persevere. It means verb. He persevered to go abroad. He persevered to study medical. Persevere as an adjective or persevering. It is a persevere answer. It is persevering. It is a persevering attitude. Perseveringly. Perseveringly. How do you form a sentence using perseveringly? So he spoke to his son perseveringly. He spoke to his daughter perseveringly. Perseveringly means in a compulsive. Okay, 73 vocabulary. Personality. Anybody, can you form a sentence using a personality? Mrs. Lavanya has a very good inner and outer personality. What do you mean by that? She looks outside good, inside also she is good. Inner and outer personality. Personate. Personate means act behalf of somebody. So he personated as an IAS officer. Means he make-upped himself. He was cheating the people by saying that he is an IAS officer. Personal. Can you form any word using personal? It is my personal opinion. It is my personal opinion. Anybody, can you form a sentence using personally? Young ladies, personally. Gents, personally. I talk to my mom personally. I talk to my mom personally. 74th vocabulary is picture. Anybody, can you form a sentence using picture? Picture. It is a good picture. It's a good picture. Picture. Picture as a verb. Picture means kept. I pictured the natural scenery. I pictured the natural scenery. Picturesque. What do you mean by that? Very natural. In Ooty, the sceneries are picturesque. Picturesque. You should say picturesque. In Ooty, the surroundings are picturesque. Picturesquely. How do you form? Picturesquely, anybody. During the month of December, The hill station looks picturesquely. The hill station looks so wonderfully. Anybody, can you form a sentence 75? Popularization. Popularization. The popularization of. Can you form a sentence? The popularization of giving free laptop to the students was done by the chief minister. Popularization. Popularize. Anybody, can you form a sentence using popularize? Popularize. No, popularize as a verb. Popularize as a verb. Okay, actor Shah Rukh Khan is popularized because of IPL cricket match. Popularized. He became very famous. Popular. Anybody? Popular. Mahatma Gandhi is a popular person. Can you form a sentence using popularly? Popularly. Popularly. Okay. He releases the movie popularly. He releases the movie popularly. Okay, next word. Presumption. 76th vocabulary. Presumptions. Anybody? Presumption means, presume means thinking. Presume. Presumption. It is my presumption. It is my presumption that India will be a superpower by 2020. It is my idea, presumption, my thinking. Presume, think, presume, very important vocabulary. Presume means think. I presumed that he is from America. I presumed, I thought. Presumable. Can you form a sentence using presumable? It is a presumable thought. It is not, it is your own hypocritical thought. You think of your own self and do something. Presumably. Can you tell any sentence? Presumably. I think presumably that current will go by 10 or 11 o'clock. I presumably think. I think presumably. Okay, next. 77th vocabulary. Pretender. Can anybody form a sentence using pretender? Pretender. She is a pretender or he is a pretender because he pretends as if he is from, he has done his degree. Pretender. Pretend. Can anybody form a sentence? Pretend. Pretend means acting as something which you are not. He pretends that he knows Hindi. He pretends. Pretended. It is a pretended action. Pretendedly. Pretentiously. He talks pretentiously. Next, prevalence. Prevalence means it's there. Prevalence. Can anybody form a sentence using prevalence? Prevalence. See, child marriage is a prevalence in Tamil Nadu. Prevalence means it's happening. Prevail. Make it to happen. Prevail. How do you form a sentence using prevail? The roads, the bad roads in Chennai, it prevails in Chennai. Okay. Next, prevailing. Prevailingly. So it's all adjective and adverb form. Principle. Can anybody form a sentence using principle? 79th vocabulary. Principle. Not principal. Principal means what? The VIP, the headmaster. Principle. Principle.
Like leadership.
I follow certain principles in my life. I follow certain values and principles in my life. There is no verb. Principled as an adjective. Miss Teja is a principled girl. Means what? Very disciplined girl. Principally. How do you form a sentence using principally? Miss Priya or Mr. Kumar speaks principally means he is following certain rules and regulations. Hope you are able to understand all these 79 vocabularies. Okay, I will go in fast for Tamil. நண்பர்களே, உங்கள் இலக்கண புத்தகம் 185 86 எடுத்துக்கங்க. இந்த 58 மேனிஃபெஸ்டேஷன் ஏற்கனவே நாம் ஆங்கிலத்திலிருந்து தமிழ் வாக்கியங்களை, ஆங்கிலத்திலிருந்து ஆங்கிலம் வாக்கியங்களை பார்த்திருக்கிறோம். மேனிஃபெஸ்டேஷன் என்றால் ஆண்டவனுடைய அவதாரம். மேனிஃபெஸ்ட் என்றால் அவதாரம் எடு. மேனிஃபெஸ்ட் என்றால் என்ன? கிளியராக சுத்தமாக இருப்பது. மேனிஃபெஸ்ட்லி என்றால் என்ன? தெளிவாக. மீன் என்றால் என்ன? MEAN என்றால் நடுநிலை. மீன் என்றால் ஒரு கருத்தை சொல்லுதல். மீன் என்றால் ரொம்ப கம்மியாக இருத்தல். மீன்லி என்றால் கஞ்சத்தனமான, ஸ்டிஞ்சிலி, மைசர்லினஸ்னும் கஞ்சத்தனமான. அதே போன்று 60 பாருங்க, மெலடி கீதம், காதுக்கு இனிமையான கீதம், அது பெயர் சொல்லாக வருகிறது. மெலடைஸ் என்றால் என்ன? கீதமாக்கு. மெலோடியஸ் என்றால் என்ன? இனிமையான. மெலோடியஸ்லி என்றால் என்ன? இனிமையாக. 61 பாருங்க, மெரிட் நல்ல செய்தி, பிரமாதம். மெரிட் என்றால் அதற்கு தகுதிகள் உடைய. மெரிட்டோரியஸ் என்றால் தகுதியான. மெரிட்டோரியஸ்லி என்றால் தகுதியாக. மெட்டஃபோர் 62 பாருங்க, மெட்டமோஃபோசிஸ் உருவத்தை மாற்றுதல். மெட்டமோஃபோஸ் உருவத்தை மாற்று, வினைச்சொல். மெட்டஃபோரிக்கல் அதை மாற்றக்கூடிய விதமாக. அப்புறம் மெட்டஃபோரிக்கலி என்றால் உருவத்தை மாற்றும் விதமாக. அடுத்ததாக அப்ரிகென்ஷன் என்றால் புரிந்து கொள்ளக்கூடிய தன்மை. மிஸ்அப்ரிகென்ஷன் என்றால் மிஸ் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங், புரியாத தன்மை. மிஸ்அப்ரிகென் தவறாக புரிந்து கொள். மிஸ்அப்ரிஹென்சி தவறாக புரிந்து கொள்ளக்கூடிய. மிஸ்அப்ரிஹென்சிவ்லி தவறாக புரிந்து கொள்ளும் விதமாக. 64 நியூட்ரலைசேஷன் நடுநிலைமை. நியூட்ரலைஸ் நடுநிலையாக்கு. நியூட்ரல் நடுநிலையான. நியூட்ரலி நடுநிலையாக. அடுத்ததாக ஆப்ளிகேஷன் என்றால் ஒரு ஹெல்ப், உதவி, நட்பு. கம்பல்ஷன் வலியுறுத்தல். அப்புறம் இன்டெட்டட்னஸ் கடன்படுதல். ஸோ ஆப்ளிகேஷன். ஆப்ளிகேட் என்றால் சட்டப்படி பின்பற்றுதல். அப்புறம் ஆப்ளிகேட்டரி என்றால் ஒன்றை கண்டிப்பாக பின்பற்ற வேண்டிய. அடுத்ததாக இதுக்கு அட்வர்ப் இல்லை. இங்கே பாருங்க 66 ஆஃபீஸ் என்றால் அலுவலகம். ஒஃபீஷியேட் என்றால் ஒன்றுக்கு தலைமையேற்று நடத்து. ஒஃபீஷியல் அலுவலர்கள் சம்பந்தப்பட்ட. ஒஃபீஷியலி அலுவலர்கள் சம்பந்தமாக. அடுத்ததாக பாருங்க, ஒரிஜினேஷன் ஒரு ஆரம்பம். ஒரிஜினேட் ஆரம்பி. ஒரிஜினல் உண்மையான, டூப்ளிகேட் அல்லாத, ஒரிஜினலான. ஒரிஜினலி முழுமையாக, முதன்மையாக. அடுத்ததாக 68 பாருங்க, பர்டிகுலரைசேஷன் அப்படி என்றால் என்ன? குறிப்பிட்டு சொல்லும் விதமான ஒரு தன்மை. அடுத்ததாக பர்டிகுலரைஸ் குறிப்பிட்டு சொல். பர்டிகுலர் குறிப்பான. பர்டிகுலர்லி குறிப்பாக. அடுத்ததாக பேஷன் 69 பாருங்க, தீவிர பற்று. ஜீன்ஸ் அணிவதில் எனக்கு ஒரு தீவிர பற்று இருக்கிறது. பேஷன் இது வெர்பு ஃபார்மேட் இல்லை. பேஷனேட் பற்றான, தீவிர பற்றான. பேஷனேட்லி தீவிர பற்றாக. ஷீ டான்சஸ் பேஷனேட்லி அவள் தீவிரமாக ஆடுகிறாள். அடுத்ததாக பெனால்டி என்று வருகிறது. பெனால்டி என்றால் தண்டனை, அது பணத்தை செலுத்த வேண்டும், அதுதான் பெனால்டி. பீனலைஸ் தண்டி. பீனலைஸ் என்றால் ஒருத்தரை தண்டித்தல், தண்டிக்க வேண்டும், இது வினைச்சொல். பீனல் தண்டிக்கும் விதமான. பீனலி தண்டிக்கும் விதமாக. அடுத்ததாக பெர்மிஷன் 79 அனுமதி. பெர்மிட் அனுமதி அளி. பெர்மிசிவ் அனுமதி அளிக்கும் விதமான. பெர்மிசிவ்லி அனுமதி அளிக்கும் விதமாக. அடுத்ததாக 72 பாருங்க, பெர்சிவரன்ஸ் பிடிவாத தன்மை. பெர்செவியர் பிடிவாதம் பண்ணு. பெர்செவியர் இது அட்ஜெக்டிவாக வருகிறது. பெர்சிவியரிங் பிடிவாத தன்மை உடைய. பெர்சிவிலிங்லி பிடிவாத தன்மையாக. அடுத்ததாக பர்சனாலிட்டி 73 உன்னுடைய வெளித்தோற்றம், உள் பண்புகள். பர்சனாலிட்டி. பர்சனேட் உருவத்தை மாற்று. பர்சனல் தனிப்பட்ட. பர்சனலி தனிப்பட்ட விதமாக உன்னுடைய சொந்த கருத்துக்கள். அடுத்ததாக 74 பாருங்க, பிக்சர் தோற்றம். பிக்சர் பிக்சர் என்றால் அதை ஒரு ஒரு கேமராவில் பதிவு பண்ணிக்கொள். பிக்சரஸ்க்கு இயற்கையான. பிக்சரஸ்க்லி இயற்கையாக. அடுத்ததாக பாப்புலரைசேஷன் என்றால் விளம்பரத்தன்மை. பாப்புலரைஸ் விளம்பரம் பண்ணு. பாப்புலர் பிரபலமான. பாப்புலர்லி பிரபலமாக. அடுத்ததாக 76 presumption. presumption என்றால் என்ன? ஒன்றை மனதுக்குள்ளேயே நினைத்து உருவகப்படுத்திக் கொள்ளுதல். presumption நம்மளே நினைத்துக் கொள்வது. presumption. presume நீயா மனசுல நினைத்துக் கொள்வது. presumable நீ மனசில் நினைக்கக்கூடிய விதமான. presumably நீ மனதில் நினைக்கக்கூடிய விதமாக. அடுத்ததாக 77 பாருங்க. pretender நான் ஒன்றை செய்வது போல போலித்தனமாக காண்பித்தல். போலித்தனமாக ஒன்றை காண்பிக்கக்கூடிய தன்மையை pretender. pretend என்றால் போலியாக நடி. pretended போலியாக நடிக்கும் விதமான. pretentiously போலியாக நடிக்கும் விதமாக. அடுத்ததாக 76 prevalence அப்படின்னா நடைமுறையிலே ஒன்று நடந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறது. prevalence. prevail ஒன்று நடக்கும் விதமாக. prevailing நடந்து கொண்டிருக்கிற வகையிலே prevailingly நடக்கக்கூடிய விதமாக. 79 vocabulary. principle அப்படி என்றால் என்ன? கொள்கை. I have a principle in my life. I have many principles in my life. values and principles. எனக்கு நிறைய கொள்கைகள் இருக்கிறது. principled கொள்கைகளை பின்பற்றக்கூடிய. she is a principled lady. அவள் ஒரு கொள்கைகளை கடைபிடிக்கக்கூடியவளாக இருக்கிறாள். அடுத்ததாக principally she spoke principally என்றால் ஒழுக்க நெறியாக பேசிக்கொண்டிருக்கக்கூடிய principally. So hope you are able to understand all these vocabulary. And just 1 minute, sir, I just asked somebody, Miss Komadi, could you tell me, please stand up. Okay, can you form a sentence using merit as a noun? 61. Merit as a noun.
Merit.
Merit.
Merit. Anna University is a merit selection to MNC company.
Okay, merit. Merit as a noun. We need a good merit to join in Anna University. Okay, merit as a verb.
It is a merit marks.
He worked hard to merit. Okay, meritorious as an adjective. He is a meritorious student. Meritoriously.
He got elected meritoriously.
Excellent. He got elected meritoriously. This is how we need sentence formation. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.